Hey everyone, Aaron here, Fast Forward Race Cars. Hey, I'm going to give you a quick shop tour, show you the cars we're working on. Let's take a walk. I'll show you what we're working on. All right, so we'll start over here. We got a 69 Camaro. It's got it covered up right now, but we put a Roadster Shop chassis underneath this, and we're doing full stainless steel exhaust, and we built a 427 cubic inch LS motor. But this one's going to be another video we're going to do soon, and you'll see the full details on this one, but stay tuned. This one's going to be a real cool build. And then over here, we got a 1957 Chevy Nomad. This one also has a Roadster Shop chassis. We also built the engine on this too. This has got an LS engine in it, 4L80E tranny, and this is going to be a cool restomod. This one's also going to have AC. So we'll do a full build video on this, so stay tuned on that one. This car over here, we got a 1970 Nova. This car was wrecked, and we rebuilt the whole back end of the car. And we are building a 25.2 chassis, NHRA spec chassis for this. I already did a part 1 on this car, so if you're interested in this build, go check that out. We got part 2 coming out real soon, and it's going to have probably 5 parts all together when this will be a finished rolling chassis and ready for paint. So this is what we do on this side. This is the actual chassis side, the welding side, fabricating. Now I'm going to take a walk over to the other side of the building, and this is where we build the engines. We machine the engines, we assemble them, and then we also dyno them. So we'll show you that. And we also got a couple projects over here that I'm gonna show you real quick as well. So this is the engine side. This is the engine we just finished right now. Small block Chevy with a tunnel ram, getting ready to go on the dyno. We'll take a walk in here. This is our engine assembly room. After we machine all our parts, we bring it in here and we assemble all the engines. And this is one we're doing right now. This is a big block Chevy. This is a boosted engine, twin turbo. And stay tuned for that. We'll have a video on this as well. And there's some other engines here that are just finished. They're been rebuilt and getting ready to be dynoed. And we'll take a walk in here. This is the actual dyno control room. When we dyno engines, after we build the engines, we bring them around through the other side and we bring it in here to dyno. Okay, this is a dyno control room, but inside that room, after we build them in that room, we bring them around on a cart and we install it on the machine. And we actually run the engine. And then right now inside there, we got a 509 cubic inch big block Chevy with a root style blower on it. So we're gonna take a walk in here. That's the engine. We just finished it. It made 800 horsepower. It's underdriven. I mean, it can make a lot more horsepower, but this is a street engine. And we're not really trying to make power with this. This is more about pump gas, streetability, and be able to drive it anywhere. So that's what we do. We dyno every engine that we build. Let me take a walk over here. Come back out of the dyno room, and this is the van we're working on. This is a 1978 Dodge van, and this is going to be a drag week vehicle. He's gonna race it on drag week. But right now, what we're doing is the rear suspension, and we're going to do a video on that as well. We're going to do a ladder bar suspension, old school, and that's what this van is. It's built old school, and so we're kind of keeping the theme with that. So stay tuned on this one. We'll do a full video on that as well. And we got this car that came in. It's like a little road race car, that little Datsun that we're doing roll cage on. And we're gonna mount the seats and a couple other little things that we're doing, seat belt mounts. So this is 1969 Camaro. This is my own personal car here. And I'm gonna be building this one for myself. And what we're gonna do is, it's gonna be all new sheet metal on it. It's gonna be steel roof and quarters, and all the rest of the panels will be carbon fiber. It's going to be a full chrome moly chassis, 25 1E spec, and we got a few different engine combinations that we can put in it. But this is going to be a full build, so stay tuned. That one's coming soon. Believe it or not, I already started on it and I already fixed it up. Like, for instance, you can't see it right now, but these are all new. Like the rocker panels I replaced already, and I had the car sandblasted and I put in epoxy primer. And portion of this part I replaced, the door jamb, but everything else, like you see, is all going to be cut out. The metal that you see in there in the inside is only in there right now to keep it stabilized, to hold it together. That's why you see the braces welded in there. Yeah. That's to keep the body square. But once I take this and put it on the chassis jig over there and weld it down, I'll cut out all that, and it's just going to be the basic shell. And then we'll put on the new sheet metal, and then it will start looking like a car once we get it on the chassis jig. Yeah, that's what we do here. You know, no job too small for us. You know, if you guys need something, a roll cage, Engine build, I mean, we do it all from just simple roll cages all the way up to full chassis, street engines to full race engines. But if you guys got any questions, leave me a comment and we'll answer them the best you can. And stay tuned because we got more videos coming. We'll see you on the next one.